everyone, welcome to the session. So in this session, we are going to discuss some previous year questions of IPMAT, and all the questions that we are going to discuss in today's session will be from trigonometry. So the students who are preparing for IPMAT or DU-JAT exam, this class is going to be very useful for them. All right, let's begin. So since some of you might be attending my class for the first time, I'll quickly introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya. I have done my masters in maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation from Miranda House. I've been training students for various management entrances like CAT, GRE and GMAT since past 4 years now. All right. Okay, so this is about the Unacademy Plus subscription. If you go for the Unacademy Plus subscription, you get all these benefits. Okay, so you will have access to the live interactive classes. All the classes are live. You can get your doubts clarified within our class itself. Okay, even if you miss any of the classes, any of the lectures because of some reason, you will be able to see the recording of each and every lecture. Okay, and you are allowed to look at the recording, watch the recording as many times as you want. Okay, now access to the notes from all the educators at one place will be given to you. PDFs will be downloadable after the end of each and every lesson. Every fourth session is a doubt solving session, so you will have enough doubt solving session to get all your doubts clarified. Okay, study material is updated. You will also have access to the mock test, sectional tests are also present on the platform, so you will have access to that as well, so which is very crucial for your preparation. Okay, now these are the prices of our IPMAT Plus subscription. So if you are a student who is in 11th standard, then you should definitely go for the 24-month subscription. The price for 24-month subscription is 30,000. And the price for 12-month subscription is 20,000. So students who are in their 12th standard, then they can go for the 12-month subscription. All right. Okay. Now for all the subscriptions, you will be able to get 10% off the entire course fee if you use the code AAISH10. Okay. So guys, if you haven't taken the IPMAT subscription yet, please go for it using the code AAISH10. Okay. All right. So let us solve a few questions. So here is the first question. The question is, the number of pairs x comma y satisfying the equation sin x plus sin y is equal to sin x plus y and mod x plus mod y is equal to 1 is. Okay, so in this question we need to find the values of x that satisfy both the equations. All right, let's start solving. Okay, so let us pick up this equation first. Okay, so we have mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. Okay, so let us take a few values which satisfy the above equation, this equation. Okay, so we can take x is equal to 1. Now when x is equal to 1, okay, you can take value of y as 0. Okay, now since mod is there, so at x is equal to minus 1 also the value of y is equal to 0. Right, now I can take x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, you can take y as 1. Also, at x is equal to 0, we can take y as minus 1. Okay, so from here you get 4 pairs. 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0, you get 0 comma 1 and we get 0 comma minus 1. Alright, these are the 4 pairs. Let's see if they satisfy this trigonometric equation given. Let's start solving. So we have sin x plus sin y is equal to sin x plus y. This is given. All right, so let us check this equation for the first pair, that is 1 comma 0 means x is equal to 1. So this is sin 1 plus sin 0 is 0 and this will be equal to sin 1 plus 0 which is equal to sin 1. Hence this number, this pair is satisfying. All right, likewise let us check for sin minus 1. So this will be equal to sin minus 1 plus sin 0 is 0, okay, is equal to sin minus 1 plus 0. So same thing, therefore this pair is also getting satisfied. Now let us check when x is 0. Okay, so when x will be 0, this function, this value of sin x will be equal to 0 because sin 0 is 0, and then sin 1 will be equal to sin 0 plus 1. So this is also getting satisfied, therefore this one is also getting satisfied. So therefore we got 4 pairs which are satisfying both these equations. Okay, let's see if there can be other pairs as well. Okay, so we can take x as 1 by 2. So if x is 1 by 2, then y could be 1 by 2. Also, if x is 1 by 2, y can be equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, now I can take the value of x as minus 1 by 2, then y will be equal to 1 by 2. And if x is, other value could be when x is minus 1 by 2, y can be equal to minus 1 by 2. Right, so again we get 4 pairs, minus 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2. And therefore this will be 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. And we have 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2. And minus 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. So these are the 4 pairs. Let us check for these 4 pairs as well. What do we get? So for the first pair, this is equal to sine minus 1 by 2 plus sine minus 1 by 2 is equal to sine. Now minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 will be equal to minus 1. Okay, so clearly we can see that this equation is not true. Therefore, this pair is not satisfying both the equations. Alright, let's take the second pair. Okay, so if I take sine 1 by 2, I don't know what is the value of sine 1 by 2, so let us keep it like that. Then this is also sine 1 by 2. And this is given as sine. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will give me 1. Clearly this is also not satisfied. So therefore this pair also I can't take. Okay, then let us take this value. So sine 1 by 2 plus sine minus 1 by 2 is equal to, this will be equal to sine 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is sine 0. Now from here you can clearly see, we know that sine theta, we can see that sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, right? So we'll be using this equation here. Let's see how. Alright, so we have this. So sine minus 1 by 2 will be equal to minus sine 1 by 2. So therefore you get minus sine 1 by 2 minus sine 1 by 2, which is equal to 0. Therefore, this is getting satisfied. Likewise, this pair will also satisfied by the same rule. Okay. So therefore, from here we get that there are total 6 pairs which are satisfying both the equations. This trigonometric equation as well as this mod equation. Okay. So therefore, the correct answer will be 6 pairs. Alright, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Okay. Let us proceed to the next question. So here is our next question. The question says, if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to m. Okay, so in the question it is given that m is equal to sine theta plus cos theta. Okay, then sine theta raised to the power 6 plus cos theta raised to the power 6 equals. Okay, let's see this question. So we have m is equal to sine theta plus cos theta. This is given. Now if you look at the options, in the options we can clearly see a term which has m square. Okay, so let us find the square of m. Maybe we'll be able to arrive at a result. Okay, let's start. So m square will be equal to sine theta plus cos theta whole square. Now we can open this identity by using a square, a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, solving this further, I get sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Now this is a standard identity. Okay, first identity that we learned in trigonometry. This is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So therefore, m square is equal to 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Alright, so from here I can even write that the value of sine theta into cos theta is equal to m square minus 1 by 2. Okay, taking this sine theta cos theta to the left hand side and everything towards the right. Okay, alright, so we have this. Now, see, in the question we need to find the value of this term. Okay, so let's see. I can write this as, alright, we need to find the value of this. Now, sine theta raised to the power 6, this can be written as sine square theta whole cube, and cos theta raised to the power 6. This can be written as cos square theta whole cube. Okay, now please look at this. We are going to use this identity, that we know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? So therefore we need to find the value of a cube plus b cube in the question. So let us solve this further. Okay, therefore I can write the value of this expression is equal to a plus b whole cube, means this is sine square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, okay, minus 3ab. Now ab here is equal to sine square theta into cos square theta, okay. So I can write this as sine theta cos theta whole square, okay. Then I have a plus b, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, solving this further. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So let us substitute the value. 1 cube is 1 minus 3. Okay, now this value we have found from equation 1. Okay, so I can write that from equation 1 I have this value. Okay, let us substitute. So I can write this as m square minus 1 by 2 whole square, and again this is 1. Okay, so clearly you can see that this is equal to 1 minus 3 into m square minus 1 whole square by 4, okay, which is same as option D, right? This is same as option D, therefore option D is the correct answer. Therefore option D is the correct answer. All right. So I hope this question is clear. So all the concepts that are going to be used in all these questions, these we have already discussed in the class. So I'm sure you'll be able to understand. And if you look at this, just two things are used in this question. One, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. We all know this basic identity, and a plus b whole cube. Okay. So these questions might look difficult, but they are actually not. Okay. All right, so just practice is needed. Let's see the next one. So it is given that if tan x plus tan x plus pi by 3 plus tan x plus 2 pi by 3 is 3, then which of the following is correct? All right, so we have these three expressions given, trigonometric expressions given. Now, so clearly you can see from here that this is tan a plus b. So we are going to use the formula for tan a plus b. Let's see how. So the identity is tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Alright, this is the identity that we are going to use in this question. Also, we know that the value of tan pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60 degree and tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Okay, so we are going to use all these things in this question. Alright, let's start solving. Yeah, so let's begin. So, let us simplify this expression. What is this expression? Tan x plus pi by 3. Okay. Now, which is equal to putting the values of a as x and b as pi by 3. Okay. So, I get this as tan x plus tan pi by 3, which is equal to root 3 upon 1 minus. Now, tan a into tan b will be equal to root 3 tan x. Alright. Likewise, the value of this expression, tan x plus 2 pi by 3. Okay. Is now what is 2 pi by 3? This is equal to 120 degrees. Okay, so let us find the value of tan 2 pi by 3. So tan 2 pi by 3 we can write as tan pi minus pi by 3. 180 degree minus 60 degree will give me 120 degree. Okay, now since we have pi here, the trigonometric ratio will not change, so this will be equal to tan. Okay, but 120 degree, this angle lies in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant the value of tan is negative. So therefore this is equal to minus tan pi by 3, hence minus root 3. So therefore the value of tan 2 pi by 3 is minus root 3. So this I am going to substitute here. Okay, let's start. So this is equal to tan x minus root 3, okay, upon 1 plus root 3 tan x. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now tan x, this can be written as this directly. Okay, so therefore putting the value, substituting these two values in the given equation, I get, let's see what I get. So I can write this as tan x plus, now this expression we have got from the previous slide. Let us substitute. This is equal to tan x plus root 3 upon 1 minus root 3 tan x. Okay, and the value of this expression we have got from here. Let us substitute. So this is tan x minus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3 tan x, and this is equal to 3. Okay, so let us solve this further taking the LCM. What do we get by taking the LCM? This will be a minus b into a plus b, which is 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, solving this further, so this will be equal to tan x into 1 minus 3 tan square x plus, now this tan x plus root 3 will be multiplied by this 1 plus root 3 tan x, right? And also I have this tan x minus root 3 into, so this expression divided by this, I'll get 1 minus root 3 tan x. Alright, this is what we get, and this thing is equal to 3. Okay, so we have this expression on right hand side. Let us simplify this further. So this will be equal to tan x minus 3 tan cube x. Okay, and this will give me tan x plus root 3 tan square x plus root 3 plus 3 tan x. Okay, solving this expression as well, I'll get tan x minus, this will be equal to root 3 tan square x minus root 3 plus 3 tan x. Okay, this will be the numerator, and in the denominator I'll get 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, so if you notice, a lot of terms of the numerator will be cancelled out. Let's see how will these be cancelled out. So I can write this as, so plus root 3 and minus root 3 gets cancelled. Okay, what else? This root 3 tan square x and minus root 3 tan square x will get cancelled. Okay, we have terms of tan x here. So I have 1, 2, 3, then 6 and 9. Okay, so therefore I get 3 is equal to 9 tan x minus 3 tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, now from the numerator I can take 3 common, and let us take 3 common from here. So what will I get inside? This will be equal to 3 and this will be 1. Right, so I can write this as 3 tan x minus tan cube x. Now this 3 and 3 will be cancelled and it will be clear. This right hand side is equal to, this is the identity of tan 3x. So therefore I have tan 3x is equal to 1. Okay, so I'm going to write it here. Might be not visible to you guys. Yes, so I can write that tan 3x is equal to 1. Okay, so option C is the right answer to this question. Alright, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Quite a lengthy one, but I'm sure you'll be able to solve this because just the use of this identity is there, nothing else. Alright, okay, let us continue. One more question. So the question is, the equation tan raised to the power 4x, okay, minus 2 sec square x plus a square is equal to 0. Okay. Now if you look here, look at this equation. We have a term of tan x and we have a term of sec x. Alright. So there is a relationship. We have this identity that 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. So I can replace sec square x in this equation. Let's see what will I get. So this is tan raised to the power 4x minus twice of 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Plus a square is 0. Solving this further. Tan raised to the power 4x minus 2 tan square x plus a square is equal to 0. Okay. So now I'll write the constant terms together. So I got tan 4x minus 2 tan square x, okay, plus a square minus 2 is equal to 0. This is what I have. Now if you look at this clearly, we can change this equation, this trigonometric equation, into a quadratic equation. Let's see how we can do that. So I am going to take, let y is equal to tan square x. Okay, so from here what can I write this as? I can write this as tan, okay, so tan square x we have taken as y. So the first term will be equal to y square minus 2y plus a square minus 2 is equal to 0. Right? Now we have to find, this equation will have at least one real solution if. So for real roots, the discriminant of the quadratic equation should be greater than or equal to 0. Right? So discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. So what is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac. So b square is minus 2 whole square minus 4, a is 1 and this is a square minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Right? So from here we get that this value 4 will be greater than and equal to 4a square minus 2. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. I get 1 is greater than equal to, okay, writing it here so that this is, yes. So we can write this as 4 is greater than and equal to 4a square minus 2. Alright. So 1 is greater than and equal to a square minus 2. Okay. So 3 is greater than and equal to a square. So therefore, from here, look at this and expression in the option C. Both are same. Okay. Because if I take the roots both sides, root 3 is less than equal to a. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Okay, option C is the right answer. I hope this question is clear to everyone. All right, let us proceed. Okay, so next question, question number 5. Given that cos x plus cos y is equal to 1, the range of sin x minus sin y is. All right, okay. So in this question, we need to find the range of sin x minus sin y. So range means we need to find the maximum value and the minimum value so that we can answer this. Okay. Since we need to find the range of sin x minus sin y, I am going to take let k is equal to sin x minus sin y. All right. Okay. Now let us find the square of this term, k square. I can write k square as sin x minus sin y whole square. So again, using the identity a minus b whole square, right? So I can write this as sin square x plus sin square y minus 2 sin x sin y. Alright, so I'm going to leave it here. Okay, now there is one more expression given in the question, that cos x plus cos y is equal to 1. Okay, so what I can do is that squaring both sides on this expression. Okay, so we have cos x plus cos y is 1, squaring both sides. Cos x plus cos y whole square is equal to 1 square, which is 1. So left hand side I can open with the use of a plus b whole square. So let us do that. So I can write this as cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y is equal to 1. Right? Now, see, we are looking for the range of k. We are looking for the maximum and minimum value of k. So I need to take an expression which involves k. Okay? So let's see. What is the value of k square plus 1? So I'm just going to add this equation. Okay? Let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Adding both. Value of k square plus 1 we are going to find. So this is equal to sine square x plus sine square y plus cos square x plus cos square y, right? And this expression 2 cos x cos y minus 2 sin x sin y. Alright, so we have this. Now solving this further, we can see that sin square x plus cos square x will be 1 and sin square y and cos square y is 1. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 plus 1, 2. Taking 2 common from the 2 here, and this can be written as 2. Now this is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is the identity for cos x minus y. Right? This is the formula. Okay, so I can write this as, okay, so we can leave it here. This is the value of k square plus 1. Okay, this is the value of k square plus 1. Now, we know that maximum value of cos theta is equal to 1. So, maximum value of this expression will be equal to 1. Okay, so if maximum value of this expression is 1, what do I get from here? What will be the maximum value of k square plus 1? It will be equal to 4. So therefore, k square will be less than and equal to 3. This is what I get from here. So if k square, yes. So if the value of k square is less than and equal to 3, then we can see that the value of k will be between plus root 3 and minus root 3. Okay. So clearly from here, I can say that option D is the correct answer. Okay. So the range of the function sin x minus sin y is equal to minus root 3 to root 3. Alright. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Okay. Alright. So this was the last question of today's session. I hope all these questions are clear. Alright, so all those students who have joined in between, I would request you guys to solve all these questions. These are the previous year questions from the IPMAT Indore paper. Okay, so these are the important ones. Please try all of them. Okay, and if you have doubt in any of them, please do share your questions with me. Okay, alright. Okay, so this is for all the IPMAT students who have not taken the IPMAT subscription yet. Okay, so a new batch is going to start from 19th of June, guys. Very soon a new batch is going to start. So please make sure that you take the Unacademy Plus subscription before that so that you can join me for this. Join me for the first class starting from 19th of June. Okay, so I'm going to take classes for higher mathematics in this batch. Okay, but this batch will cover all the concepts: LR, DI, quant section, verbal, GK, everything will be covered. So please make sure that you take the Unacademy Plus subscription before 19th of June. Okay, and these two offers are also going on currently, that for 12 months you get 2 months of subscription free of cost, and at the cost of 2 years, 24 months, you get 3 months subscription free of cost. Alright, now you can even use this code AAISH10 to get 10% off the course fee for all the subscriptions. Okay, alright. So now these, for the students who are preparing for CAT, these are the students from our iconic subscriptions, and all of them have more than 99 percentile in CAT 2020. So you guys can also join the iconic subscription for the year 2021, and you'll be added to the list also, okay, for the CAT 2021. So start preparing for it, take the subscription and start preparing for CAT with us as soon as possible. Okay, all right. So now these are the new batches that are going to start on our platform. Okay, a new batch is going to start from 16th of June. and 2 new batches have been recently started from 9th and 12th of June. So you guys still have opportunity to join the Plus subscription and start attending these batches. Okay. All right. So this is a wonderful offer going on for you guys, that at the cost of 6 months of CAT subscription, you will get 1 month of subscription free of cost. So it means you just need to pay for 6 months, and your preparation for CAT, NMAT, tests, all these exams will be taken care of. Okay. So for these exams also, you'll be getting the classes. Okay, now this is the scholarship test, India's biggest weekly scholarship test. This happens every Sunday at 12 p.m. The duration of test is just 60 minutes. This is a 1 hour long test. You get 30 questions in this. So please make sure that you register for this, enroll for this test, AAISH10, and especially if you haven't taken the Unacademy subscription yet, this will be the wonderful opportunity for you, because if you get a good score in this, definitely you will get a good scholarship. Okay, so guys, please make use of this opportunity and go for the Unacademy Combat every Sunday. Okay, now if you haven't taken the Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription yet, you can take the subscription by these steps. Just install the Unacademy learning app, select CAT as your goal if you're a CAT aspirant. If you're a IPMAT or BBA entrances exams aspirant, then you should select IPMAT as your goal and click on get subscription. As soon as you do this, use the code AAISH10 to enroll for it. Okay. Also, you can use my code AAISH10 to unlock my special classes and special classes of other educators also on the platform free of cost. There are a lot of free quizzes and mock tests on the platform that you can unlock using this code. Okay. Also guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Unacademy CAT for MBA and Unacademy CAT. Okay, you will get some amazing content about your CAT preparations here. Okay. Also do like and share this video with your friends and family who are preparing for CAT or IPMAT, so that they can also get benefits from this. All right. Also, this is the name of my Telegram group. Please do subscribe, join the group. You will get links of all my YouTube special and plus classes from here. Okay. And if you have any questions regarding the subscription or anything about CAT or MBA, you can directly message me here. All right. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching the session. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you. Be safe.